a Rover story. Chapter 75, The Mesa. By the time we reach the rock formation, we have traveled a very long distance. So much human time has passed. I have collected several samples. I have drilled many, many holes. I have watched the sun sink into the deep red horizon. I have watched the sun rise on mornings when the sky is a pale, watery yellow. I have kicked up dust, left countless tracks across wide swaths of open waves of sand that glow in the daylight from the sun and turn dark black at night. I have grinded over jagged rocks and navigated narrow and twisty paths. I have roved. I am sure my outside is looking more and more like Courage's, coated with dust and dirt. The journey has put wear on my system. My one wheel does not respond as quickly as it used to. After scanning my system for instructions on how to self-repair, I am able to somewhat correct the problem, though not solve it entirely. I saw that, Fly says, watching my repair. It's routine. This is true. Rovers often need to make repairs, Guardian chimes in. Because we are not meant to last forever, I say. Are you angry with me, Resilience? This question takes me by surprise. Are you familiar with anger, Guardian? Not exactly, but I have learned about this emotion from you, and from my observations, I am drawing the conclusion that you are experiencing anger. Wait, are you angry with me? Fly asks. No, Fly, I am not angry at you. Noted, Guardian says. I'm not angry at all, I say. It is the first time I have ever said something aloud that I am not sure is wholly true. But it is not false either. It is, though, perhaps incomplete. I just want to focus on making my way through this rock formation in order to fully explore it. It is going to be a difficult mission, I say. That it is, Guardian says. The sky is a dense and impenetrable, thank you, black, and the stars are out tonight in full brightness. I hope that once I reach the Mesa and climb up, I will have an even better view. If I do have a better view from there, the very first thing I will do is send a photo back to the command center to Xander and Raina. I begin my trek through the maze-like rock formation. My wheels grind and groan, but I am prepared for this. I maneuver agilely, doing my very best to avoid any patches that appear to be particularly difficult. Steadily I move, winding around boulders, slowly getting closer to the Mesa. Whenever I rev my wheels, I can sense Fly jittering in my interior chamber. Fly, I say, please stay calm. We're getting closer. It's hard to do though, Rez. I think you've gone far enough. You do not want to get stuck. But Fly is wrong. I have not gone far enough, and so I keep traveling farther and farther. Days pass, months and months pass. The sky fades from black to a pale greenish yellow, to a dark red, and then back to black. It does this over and over again. Occasionally, I stop and drill. Occasionally, I collect a sample, but I do not stop moving forward. I never stop moving forward because I have not yet found what I am looking for. What are you looking for? Fly says. Don't we have enough samples? But we need something big, something that will guarantee that the hazmats will plan a mission to retrieve us and bring us back to Earth, I say. Resilience, Guardian says. I do not think you even know what you are looking for. But I do. I am looking for something that will give Raina that look in her eyes that I saw when I first passed the shake and bake test. The look that was soft and full of wonder. I am looking for something that will make Xander clap his hands in a thunderous way. I am looking for something that will prove that I am a worthy rover. I think of Journey and how Journey once told me that the hazmats sent us to Mars because we are rational, unlike them, because we do not have attachments, unlike them. But I have attachments. I'm attached to Raina. I am attached to Xander. I am even attached to Journey. And that is why I am pushing forward. I hear that strange sound coming from somewhere unknown, somewhere far away. The whistle. That might be wind. That is probably wind. But that I cannot identify in all certain terms as wind. I keep moving toward that unknown, mysterious sound, toward a discovery. Dear Rez, guess what? Reed Northman asked me to prom. It was tonight. When we were spinning around on the dance floor, I looked out the window and caught a glimpse of the stars, which made me think of you. I wonder what you're looking for, why you're headed in the direction you're moving. Mom says no one knows. Maybe you don't even know. Maybe that's the point. Maybe none of us really know what you're looking for until you find it. Sorry, I'm sleepy. It's 3 a.m. I always get weirdly philosophical when I'm sleepy. But tonight was amazing. I want to remember it forever. And I wanted to tell you about it. Your friend, Sophie.